Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular video I am going to discuss another application of line structuring element in binary image processing. So in my previous video I have shown you one important variation of line structuring element, that is, to define the line structuring element in MATLAB we need to give how many pixels should be present on that line and what should be the angle the line should have. Now we have taken this particular image for our previous discussion, and we can see that here different angle lines are present in this image. There is no fixed angle, so we have made our line angle variable and we have tried to extract all the lines. But in my previous video, the line structuring element which we have taken, for that particular element we have made number of pixels on that structuring element fixed, okay, and that equal to the smallest length line we have chosen. Now in this video I am going to show you the reverse thing. Previously I have shown the number of pixels fixed angle variable. Now I am going to show you that angle fixed but number of pixels as variable in case of line structuring element. You remember I have already discussed how you can decompose a particular object using morphological operation. In my previous video I have already discussed that with one case study. Same type of case study I am going to take. I am taking here one binary image written A, okay, A letter written on it. Now what we want to do, we want to decompose this. We want to get this particular angle part and this particular horizontal line as separate one. That is, we want to decompose our character A to two different parts. One is angular part, one is this particular line part. Now here this particular line you can clearly understand, if we just simply apply erosion using line structuring element, then this particular horizontal line will be fitting on our this particular binary image, and as a result this particular angle part will be completely removed, and after getting this particular horizontal line simply we can subtract that line, extracted line, from our original image, and as a result we will be getting this particular angular part. But the problem is that finding how many pixels you will place on your line structuring element, because here one possible approximate way is you take impixelinfo and put your mouse pointer here and here, okay, find the difference in between x coordinate. That can give you one approximate rough idea of the length of the line. But here what we can do, we know that angle is 0. Now we will vary number of pixels on our line structuring element, and we will each time will erode, and when it will properly when we will properly get only the this particular line structure, then we will pause our iteration further, okay. So like that I have written the code. So I hope you can understand. See, CLC clearer close all warning of x equal to imbinarize RGB to gray imread Ch.JPG. Let me just show you that particular image. This is my image, right? Now I want to extract this particular horizontal line, for which number of pixels I don't know. At least one pixel will be there, right? So I have started with 1 and gs equal to 1. I have taken, this is for infinite loop purpose. Although we know that this will not go infinite times, we can press Ctrl C as soon as we will get our desired length. So structuring element equal to strl line temp 0. So we have kept our number of pixels on the line as variable but angle as fixed. That is the reverse case which I have discussed earlier. Then each time I am performing erosion, okay, and then I am plotting that eroded output and then original image minus eroded one to get the angular part, and title is temp to get for which temp value we are getting that eroded output, okay. Pause I am giving so that each iteration we can observe, and each time temp equal to temp plus 1, okay, right. So let me run this particular code, evaluate selection. If I do, see, for temp equal to 1 there is nothing erosion happening, and as a result in the actual eroded output itself we are getting complete character, and when we are doing original image minus eroded form there is no such difference, so we are getting completely black image. Now we will press space bar, then only our code will iterate further, because we have given pause. So pause, expect any character or any key to be pressed from the keyboard, then only it will go to next iteration. So I have clicked. Now see, the length of our structuring element increased, temp became 2, and already we are starting getting our angular part in the second but still we are not getting only the horizontal part in our first eroded output. We'll again go further for 5 6. You can notice the temp value here. Okay, 7 8 11. See, each time I am pressing the space bar, or rather any key I can say, this particular image only the horizontal line is having remaining in same structure, rest of the part is eroded or basically shrinked, and as a result when we are subtracting this one from original image we are getting the angular part more and more. Okay, so we'll increase further. Beautiful. Now let us go more. Here the gap is almost going to be removed. Yes, I guess it is a good approximation, 29. So number of pixels which we should put in our line structuring element is 29. So what I will do now, I will close this and simply I will go to command window and press Ctrl C to close my iteration or execution of the code. Now I will just take the same code, copy this and paste here, and now I can just simply change this temp. We have got 29, so we'll be taking structuring element same, and no need this pause and all this. Title also not required. Okay, we can give here title is angular part. Okay, and here for the eroded output we can give horizontal part. Okay, now just Ctrl A and evaluate. Okay, before that imshow is not required here because we are showing letter, so or we can give that. Here I will just write another figure. Okay, Ctrl A, evaluate selection. So we will be getting this particular beautiful output. This is our original image and we have decomposed that using simple morphological operation, right? This is our horizontal part and this is our angular part. Okay, so I hope you have understood this concept. Same two codes will be posted in the description box. If you want, you can check there, take that, apply in some other characters, decompose any character using this kind of morphological operation and have fun. Thank you for watching.